Does your energy drink contain cyanocobalamin? If it does, then it contains 4 times the RDA of cyanide. Energy drinks can be appealing for the promise of their increased energy and alertness, but they often contain ingredients that can pose health risks, especially when consumed in large quantities or by certain individuals. Energy drinks might give you that quick energy boost, but let's dive into what's really in your can. First up, caffeine. Loads of it. While you wake up, too much can race your heart, push your blood pressure up, and leave you jittery or even dehydrated. Then there's the sugar. It's packed with that, setting you up for a crash, weight gain, or even diabetes. And it doesn't stop there. These drinks mix in other stimulants like taurine, guarana, and ginseng, ramping up the effects and potentially leading to health and mental issues. Don't forget the artificial stuff too, like colors, flavors, and sweeteners that might not be great for your health. Have you ever heard of niacin overload? Yeah, it's in there too, potentially flushing your skin and stressing your heart. And if you're on medication, be careful. These ingredients can mess with its effectiveness. So what's the takeaway on all this? Well, watch out for too much caffeine, loads of sugar, mysterious herbal extracts, and overdoing the vitamins. Your body is gonna thank you.